Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to get hacks in Among Us. So this has been a very popping off video on my YouTube channel, like I'll show you right now. So let me head over to my YouTube channel right now. Thank you for all the support on the channel. We've been getting a lot of support on this video in particular, one of my most popular videos now with 90 viewers. So thank you for that, and another subscribers. Thanks for that. So I'm guessing you guys probably want to know how to get the hacks for Among Us, since the video has been going like off in the last 5 days. So the first thing that you want to do to get this hacks is get something that's called BlueStacks. So pretty much all you have to do is open up your browser of choice. Let me just make this a little bigger. So open up your browser of choice, just look up BlueStacks download. It's pretty much like a phone downloaded source, so it's like you're playing on a phone and getting pretty much like phone apps. So what you want to do is like hit download BlueStacks now, and pretty much just hit the download and click on the corner thing down here and let it download. Then just hit next, finish, and whatever. Then it will be on your it'll be on here. So when you have BlueStacks, just open it up. I already have mine open, so I didn't have to take forever to load it, but it'll show you like a bunch of Raid Shadow Legends ads and stuff, whatever it'd be on your usual phone. So once you have that, the first thing that will be there is Among Us, because BlueStacks is around Among Us. So the first thing that will be on there will be Among Us, and maybe this is an ad, so like another app. But pretty much that is it for the Among Us. But if you want the latest version for like getting imposter every round, which yes, that's an option, hit the browser source. This might look a little sketchy, but all you have to do is go to what is called happymod.com. Just look up happymod.com. Once you get the happymod.com, wait, let me just go from here. So happymod.com. Did I not search anything up? happymod.com. Alright, once you have your happymod.com up, you should see something that looks like this. Sorry that I have a small screen on. It was because that's what it normally looks like. Okay, once you have the Happy Mod loaded in, first thing you want to do is go down and keep going down until you see the Among Us. So once you find the Among Us hack, which you could get the other hacks for these, but I don't recommend because there's no videos about them. There's all these Among Us hacks. So once you hit that download button, see normal, just click through all the stuff, have it install, everything like that, and you have to do this. So once you have everything like switched on and hit installed and next, finish, you know, all that stuff, and download down here, you have to go over here and click on I'm not a robot. Do the I'm not a robot stuff, that stupid crap that you don't like, and then you hit create download link, and now you have Among Us. So once you have Among Us, you can click on it. It takes a little bit longer because it's a little bugged out, because now it has to load in this mod thing. But once it's in, it's gonna be a bit loud. When it loads in, I think it'll be loud. It's gonna be really buggy. It's gonna load in. It's gonna take a bit. Yeah, I have no sound on right now for it because it's really annoying. So I'm just gonna test out in Skeld for this. When you're in the Skeld, you don't get the imposter every round. You just get this, but imposter will be right above it. So if you want to have the imposter, then go to real game. This I just found out actually works. I don't know why they picked these names, like YouTube / whatever. You can look it up, whatever. It don't go to much. It just goes to like a music video, I think, or something. But when you click on that before you get into any game, like when you're in the lobby with the characters floating around, you have to click on that, and then like you can't see their name, but they'll see their name as whatever that was. So when you have this mod, in the free play mode, it'll show you all this stuff, but that's not really all that's in there. Sometimes it's a little hard to click on it, but a couple of things that you can do is change your speed up all the way, which if you're the killer, which you mostly can be every round, you can just kill around, like start off and kill around the whole table. It's kind of boring though, it's kind of fast. But so at 0 would be the speed that they put it at, so if you want to be just a little faster and nobody to know, there you go, that's a little faster. Something else that I recommend putting on and not putting at 0 or 1 is the torch distance. So even if you're a crewmate and they have the torch distance low, sorry about that. If they have the torch distance loud or low, Jesus Christ, I would just turn this puppy up. I mean, it doesn't really do anything. Hopefully you guys don't hate on this video because I'm showing you these hacks. This is just for you. You're like, if you want to do this, you can do this. You don't have to if you don't want to. I mean, for my hands, I don't really even use this mod that often, so I don't know what you're talking about. A lot of stuff that I like to put on if I'm the killer, no cooldown. That just means that I can just kill, and then the cooldown will just basically be at like 1 second, because it doesn't take instantly, but it sort of does. Another one is end vote. I think I've already showed this in another video, but I'm gonna re-talk about all these stuff. So the end vote, obviously when you're in the discussion, you can just end the vote. If you're the imposter or something and they think you're sus or whatever, you can just end the vote. Limited emergency meetings, I mean, unless you're using a lot of emergency meetings, this one doesn't really need to be on. The emergency meetings are like, I guess if they give you 0 emergency meetings or something. Another thing you want to do, let me just turn that up for some reason. Another thing you want to do, or maybe you could do, is the end game imposters win. So if you don't even want to be an imposter and you just want to win, I guess you can turn that on. Or for the crewmates, the other way around. Another one is instant win. So I haven't actually got this one to work, so I don't think this one actually works. Sorry about that, but there's no really point to even having any of these on. This basically the dumbest thing ever. Another thing is if you have some like for this one, it's kind of bugged out. So if you click on and then when you're in a game, it doesn't close it out for you. I'm sorry about that. Let me just load back into free play. Sorry, I can't edit these videos. These softwares are so expensive. I just can't. So we're just gonna need a little pep talk, you know. And hit the freestyle. Subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you guys are even watching this far, because this is mainly where all this stuff is. So let's just free play back to the skeld, and let's pull down to minion. Get the frick out of here. So the instant win. Okay, yeah, the complete task, that does work in a real game. It completes all your tasks, so yeah, you can try that on one out. It doesn't bug out your thing like that. I'm at free play, that's why. The everyone's name, I've already talked about that. It just changes everyone's name, not for you, but for them. It also changes everyone else's name. So basically, you can see their name, but not the name that you chose. These, definitely recommend putting them on. If you've ever wanted your, like, a whole family of kids, then boom, right there, clicked on, you got that. That's pretty much like the one I use most of the time. And also, if you want to play like a normal game but still use cheats, chat always visible. That's very key. So if you don't know who the imposter is and the dead chat is talking about it, then you will know instantly. Another one that you would like to put on is no ads and no leave penalty. So if you don't want to be imposter, I guess, and you just want a good lobby, and you just don't want, if you accidentally leave like 3 times in a normal Among Us, it'll say you gotta wait 15 minutes for another lobby. Nah, just put this on and you don't have to worry about that. So that's basically telling you mostly about Among Us. If you want to see more, I have some streams, Twitch streams in the description. You can check those out. I stream with friends right now on Discord. There's a couple people that want to play with me, like Among Us. So if you want to check those out, it's a Discord talking app, like you can see with popular Among Us people, but it's just me and other people. Make sure to check those out. Link in the description. Yeah, if you enjoy, like and subscribe. You guys have been amazing. The support on these videos, the support on the last Among Us video was crazy. You guys knocked it out of the park. 90 views. So, and either you guys liked it or not liked it, you still watched it. I appreciate that. I also got 3 subscribers this week, guys. That is the most ever. And I've gotten 13 viewers on my... Wait, I can do a task? Sorry, this is way off topic. I can do a task and... Well, yeah, 3 subscribers in 1 week. That is crazy. And I got 13 viewers on Twitch. That is also crazy. Sorry about that. But just like the support that I'm getting every week, it's like it's going up, 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 up. And I've been on a couple of small streamers, sort of small, like 400 viewers, and barely of them talk on the chat. But I was talking on the chat saying, dude, how do you get how many viewers? And he was like, I don't have that many. And then he was just like, well, just grind and stuff. So I'm going to grind for you. Well, I'm going to grind to make these videos just because, you know, I want to be a YouTuber, but it sounds like a joke, but, you know, it's fun, so might as well do what something is fun. So if you guys like these videos, sorry this video is long, if you like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.